And we're back. Happy Craft Beer Friday still. So now that I've bored you with the parts of the guitar and that open scale, it's hard work, but man, it's worth it later down the line. Keep practicing that. Make that part of your practice regimen every day until you get to a point where you just can go E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, C, D, E, F, G, and right back down G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G. Very important to be able to do that, because then you know where the notes are. And now we're going to start with the fun stuff, basic chords. And the three most basic chords that you'll find in the most videos, almost anything can boil down to these three chords, are a G, a C, and a D. So we'll start with our G chord, because it's probably the hardest, but you get to use all 6 strings, and it sounds good. So we want to start with our third finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string, which we'll call our root note, because it really is. It's a G for a G chord. We want to put our 2nd finger on the 2nd string of the 5th string. So we want there's a G chord, probably a G5 because we're not playing the whole thing, but that's more complicated than I even know. All the rest of the strings are open, and then you want to fit your pinky down on the G note of the 1st string. So you've got your G and your G, and also a B in there. Work on it until you get it. And just downstrokes, what you want to hear is all 6 strings clean. You'll know if you're bending your fingers and hitting other strings, because you'll hear flat ones, and play it until all 6 strings ring. Still struggle with this. And then our C. So we only play the 5 highest strings on a C, so we want to start with our root note, which we know is A, B, C on the 5th string. And again, same shape, these 2 fingers, just 1 string over. So we want our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, our 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and then our C note, 2nd string, 1st fret is a C. Remember, B, C. That B, C, D, B, C. So we've got a low C and a high C, and in the middle, an E. And we only want to play the highest 5 strings. So again, and then the 3rd one is a D. So we want our 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, the A note. Our 3rd finger on the D note on the B string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, D. Ugh. And then our 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string, which is actually an F sharp or a G flat. I'm not sure which one actually makes it up. Same note. Not sure which one is proper terminology, but that's where you want it. So it's like a V shape. So you've got these 2, and then your 3rd finger goes in the middle to make a D. And we only play the highest 4 strings. That's a D. Millions of songs are these 3 chords. So we'll go back to the G, this shape with our 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 6th string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 5th string, and our pinky, this is kind of the tough one, goes on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. So to go any kind of G, C, D song, we'll just try downstrokes right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Always do 2 at the beginning. 2 bars, so 2 bars of quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move over to our C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. To a D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And back to a G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the 3 most basic chords in most songs. And the strum pattern that I'd like to work towards is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So get that G clean. D, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Practice that down, down, up. If it takes you 30 seconds to get your fingers to the next string, this is the time to learn it. Take that pause, get it clean, and then work on it. And every time you play it, just try and get a little quicker on your change. And it's okay to have an open in between there. So between a C, up, down, up, down, up, down, that's a G, sorry, to a C, it's okay once you get playing it and you want to keep this hand going. It's a rhythm, not have stops and pauses and whatever. You want to keep that tempo of whatever and start slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's okay to have an open. Just pick your fingers right up and work it. Around with that. That's this week's Getting Off the Ground. Next Friday we'll be back for more. If you can do your open scale, that strum pattern with those 3 chords in a week, power to you. If not, keep practicing. Watch the next videos when you're ready for them.